Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel General Studies for You. Friends, in current affairs today I will discuss about important commissions and organizations head. Friends, I hope you will like this video. So let's start. President of India Ram Nath Kovind. Ram Nath Kovind is 14th President of India. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. Venkaiah Naidu is 13th Vice President. Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is 14th Prime Minister of India. Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Friends, the Vice President of India is the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. He is the ex officio Chairman of Rajya Sabha. So, Chairman of Rajya Sabha is Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha is Harivansh Nayak Singh. Leader of Rajya Sabha is Thawar Chand Gehlot. In Rajya Sabha, Leader of Opposition is Ghulam Nabi Azad. Friends, current Lok Sabha is 17th Lok Sabha, and for 17th Lok Sabha, the speaker is Om Birla. Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha is vacant since June 23, 2019. Before that, Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha was M. Thambi Durai. Leader of Lok Sabha is Narendra Modi. Friends, usually the Prime Minister of India is the leader of Lok Sabha. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha is vacant as no opposition party got 10% seats in Lok Sabha. Friends, now we come to the important Indian bureaucrats. Cabinet Secretary of India Rajiv Gauba, Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla, Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister Pramod Kumar Mishra, Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Defense Secretary Ajay Kumar, Secretary General of Lok Sabha Desh Deepak Verma, Railway Board Chairman Vinod Kumar Yadav, Principal Scientific Advisor K. Vijay Raghavan, and Chief Economic Advisor Krishnamurthy Subramanian. Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is the replacement of Planning Commission, and full form of Niti Aayog is National Institute for Transforming India. And Niti Aayog Chairman is Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi. Vice Chairman is Rajiv Kumar, and Chief Executive Officer is Amitabh Kant. Now we come to the Election Commissioner. Our Chief Election Commissioner is Sunil Arora. Sunil Arora is 23rd Chief Election Commissioner, and other two Election Commissioner is Sushil Chandra and Rajiv Kumar. National Human Rights Commission NHRC Chairman is H.L. Dattu. CAG Comptroller and Auditor General of India is Girish Chandra Murmu. Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta. Attorney General of India K.K. Venugopal. Union Public Service Commission UPSC Chairman is Pradeep Kumar Joshi. National Commission for Women Rekha Sharma. Scheduled Caste Related National Commission for SC Chairman Ram Shankar Katheria. Scheduled Tribes Related National Commission for ST Chairman Nand Kumar Sai. National Commission for Backward Classes Chairman is Bhagwan Lal Sahani. National Commission for Minorities and the chairman is Gayorul Hassan Rizvi. National Commission for Farmers, chairman is M.S. Swaminathan. Next is Law Commission. This is 21st Law Commission and the chairman is Justice Balbir Singh Chauhan. CVC, Central Vigilance Commission, chairman is Sanjay Latherio. CIC, Central Information Commission chairman is Yashvardhan Kumar Sinha. Central Administrative Tribunal chairman is Justice Pramod Kohli. CCI, Competitive Commission of India chairman is Ashok Kumar Gupta. Now, 7th Pay Commission. This commission is related to central government employees pay scale revision and the chairman is A.K. Singh Mathur. NSC, that is National Statistical Commission and chairman is Bimal Kumar Roy. India's Registrar General and Census Commissioner is Vivek Joshi. Aadhaar Related Authority, Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI chairman is Pankaj Kumar. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation chairman is Rishi Kumar Shukla. IB Intelligence Bureau chairman is Arvind Kumar. Now we come to Chief of Army, Air and Naval Staff. So Chief of Army Staff is General Manoj Mukund Narwane. Air Staff Chief is Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. Naval Staff Chief is Admiral Karambir Singh. Border Security Force BSF head is Surjit Singh Deshwal. RAW Research and Analysis Wing chairman is Samant Goyal. National Investigation Agency NIA chairman is YC Modi. National Security Advisor is Ajit Kumar Doval. National Security Guard is Anup Kumar Singh. And space related organization ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, chairman is K. Shivan. Atomic Energy Commission of India chairman is K. N. Vyas. BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center chairman is Ajit Kumar Mohanty. DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization, chairman is G. Satish Reddy. Satish Dhawan Space Center director is A. Raja Rajan. Now we have 14th and 15th Finance Commission. For 14th chairman is Y.V. Reddy and for 15th N.K. Singh. Now India's Central Bank, RBI, Reserve Bank of India Governor is Shaktikant Das. Deputy Governors of RBI MD Patra, MK Jain and BP Kanun Gu. NSE, National Stock Exchange, head is Vikram Limaye. BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, head is Ashish Kumar Chauhan. State Bank of India SBI chairman is Dinesh Kumar Khara. And Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority PFRDA Chairman is Yogesh Agrawal. IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Chairman is T.S. Vijayan. LIC, Life Insurance Corporation Chairman is M.R. Kumar. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, and the chairman is Govind Rajula Chintala. SIDBI, Small Industries and Development Bank of India chairman is Mohammad Mustafa. For FICCI, that is Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, president and chairman is Uday Shankar. NASSCOM, National Association of Software and Service Companies, chairman is Keshav R. Murugesh. For ASSOCHAM, the Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry, chairman is Niranjan Hiranandani. CII, Confederation of Indian Industry, managing director and CEO is Uday Kotak. SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India chairman is Ajay Tyagi. CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes, chairman is Pramod Chandra Modi. For UGC, University Grants Commission, chairman is DP Singh. For SSC, Staff Selection Commission, chairman is Braj Raj Sharma. CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, and chairman is Manoj Ahuja. Now, ICC, International Cricket Council, chairman is Greg Barclay, belongs to New Zealand. Deputy chairman is Imran Khwaja, belongs to Singapore. Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI president is Sourav Ganguly, CEO is Hemang Amin. Prasar Bharati CEO is Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Central Board of Film Certification Chairman is Prasoon Joshi. TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, chairman is P.D. Waghela. ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation CMD is Shashi Shankar. GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited CMD is Manoj Jain. IOCL, Indian Oil Corporation Limited CMD is Sanjeev Singh. And OIL, Oil India Limited CMD is Sushil Chandra Mishra. So friends, this is all about the head of important organizations and commissions. I hope friends you liked this video, and for that please like, share and comment. Thank you very much friends.